her character, Lilu, the main character of the Fifth Element. She takes a little pill, puts it like in a microwave, hits a button, it goes ping, and when she opens it up, there's a huge like turkey dinner, like with all the fixings on a plate. Like that was supposedly like the future of eating food, right? It's just super interesting that that's kind of how I feel when it comes to 3D printing. It's like out of nothingness and then there's something, and you can see, like, I'll tell you the truth, these Bambu printers, they are super impressive with their speed and how quiet they are. Like this little guy, man, I think this is the number one starter printer for anyone starting out. And the crazy thing is that for the things that I do, it's actually more than good enough, because there's, like, there's pros and cons to each machine. So for example, when I want to print something out this small, right? And I'm just printing one of them, like it's literally telling me that there's no more minutes left. We're at layer 20 of 30, 21 of 30, 22 of 30. Like this is how fast. Almost at a 2 second stint, it's printing a layer. So we're just looking at seconds before it's completed. And if you have a much bigger printer, to print out something this small is just like a lot more effort, right? The entire machine has to move a lot more, just because you have to bring all of those, like all of the mechanics to that location to print it out. And when it comes to prototyping and just like iterating and then printing out and seeing if it works, seeing if it doesn't, I actually think that the Mini is probably one of the best printers, because the smaller plate size, it's a limitation, but it also creates a like much faster print, because at worst case scenario, this could never be the size of the other ones. And we're done. This looks good. All right. So I was able to thread the plastic piece perfectly onto the end of the Rode XLR. So as you can see, we no longer see the thread there. You just see the connection. Boom, we're successfully done with this print. If you like this clip, then be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you're notified of my latest uploads and my weekly live stream. I've been going live every single Saturday for over 5 years, so I would love to hang out with you. Can't wait to see you there.